Anshla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're doing a haul. Yes, we're finally doing a haul.
इतनी खुशी मुझे
Okay, so it's going to be a collective Nykaa and Myntra haul. So yeah, all these products are very essential and I'll try to mention all the links to the products in the description box down below in case you want to check them out. These are not going to be affiliate links, so I'm not going to earn any penny if you buy anything through those links. Also, I'll be mentioning all the prices on the screen because I don't really remember the price. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first product I got from Nykaa is this eyeshadow. It is a single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the shade Sugar. I was not about to buy this honestly. I just got it to just try making a DIY liquid liner. I was looking for a white liquid liner but I did not find any. So I thought like giving this a try. This was very inexpensive, I think for 68. I'm not sure. Prices on the screen. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Packaging थोड़ी सी flimsy है, to be very honest. Kind of flimsy, but yeah, it is pigmented. It's buttery soft. As you can see, it is pigmented. And I cannot wait to, make a DIY liner. In case you are interested in watching the DIY liquid liner video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to share that with you guys too. Okay, so moving on to the next product that I got. So it's a combo of these underarm roll-ons. I'm someone who does not use perfumes and I just don't know why I stopped using perfumes, but I just don't remember the last time I used them. So I use these. These are from Rexona and I had to buy these because khatam ho gaye na. Okay, they are originally priced at 125 but अच्छी डील पे मिल रहे थे. So this one is Sharp Fresh and this one is Powder Dry. I personally like these two variants so much, so I got them. I personally don't recommend using perfumes directly onto the skin, especially underarm area, because that is so sensitive. सोच के ऐसा हो जाता है. So in case you do, I think switch to any of these. Like you can also try Nivea, but I like these more. I don't know why. I just like these more. Yeah. This is the next product. I got this pack of 50 cotton pads for 72 rupees, which was I think a great deal. And we all know how essential these are. Like how essential. Very, very. So yeah, I got these ones. I've not used any product except this. And I used lipstick. सभी तो यूज कर लिया मैंने. नहीं, सब नहीं किया, मतलब ये भी नहीं किया मैंने यूज. Dude. Next, I got two products from Miss Claire. Basically एक offer था Miss Claire के ऊपर Nykaa पे कि if you buy two products तो 10% off मिलेगा. That's why I got this from Miss Claire as well. वरना किसी और ब्रांड का लेती मैं. Yeah. Okay. So I got this lash glue from Miss Claire. This was for 195 and I don't think मुझे कुछ off पड़ा था. अगर पड़ा होगा तो स्क्रीन पे प्राइस होगा. एंड दिस वन आई गॉट इन द वाइट टोन वेरिएंट. लाइक इसमें दो वेरिएंट्स हैं, डार्क एंड वाइट, बिकॉज आई एम अ बिगिनर एट लैशेस. आई हैव नेवर अप्लाइड लैशेस एवर. सो आई फेल्ट कि वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटिमिडेटिंग हो जाएगा अगर मैं डार्क टोन लूंगी तो. सो आई जस्ट सिंपली गॉट द वाइट टोन. बट आई वुड रिकमेंड अगर आपको बहुत अच्छे से लैशेस लगानी आती है तो गो फॉर द डार्क टोन, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन सो मेनी टाइम्स कि लोगों की लैश ग्लू भी दिख रही होती है इन केस यू डोंट टॉप इट ऑफ विद अ लाइनर. तो इसलिए आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर आपको अच्छे से लैशेस लगानी आती है तो आप डार्क टोन में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. हम भी करेंगे अगर हमें लगानी आ गई तो. नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर इज दिस. सो बेसिकली 2-in-1 है. दिस हैज लाइक लिप color on one end and lip gloss on the other. So yeah. This is in the shade 37. Yeah, and ये काफी अच्छा shade है. So this is this shade. Very very pretty shade. Honestly, I really love it. It is matte, but ये बहुत जल्दी dry नहीं होता है. For example, I have other lipsticks as well which are matte, but वो बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाती हैं. Like लगाने के few seconds बाद ही वो dry हो जाती है, but ये नहीं होती है. लेकिन बहुत देर तक ऐसे ही रहती है, which is kind of annoying, but धीरे धीरे सेटल हो जाती है. But this does not give you exact matte finish. ये semi matte finish देती है. अलग से भी यूज करके देखेंगे. Then I'm gonna give you my final verdict on this on my Instagram. So follow me there. Okay. Yeah. So I got this, and this was for 175. Yeah, 175. So these are the two products I got from Miss Claire. So the next product I got is another lipstick. Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color, and this one is in the shade 12. I do have their other lipsticks as well, like two shades. I have 8 and 11, and 11 is my ultimate favorite, like best nude shade ever, like best. So बहुत ही अच्छा है वो, and I really like the formula of these lipsticks and the fact that they are so affordable. Like these are only for 105 and off पे around 89 की भी मिल जाती है. I think I got for 92 or 95. So again off पर ही मिला ये. It is a very stunning shade. I mixed this one and this one today, and I really like the result. I really like it. Let's swatch it. Where do I swatch it now? Here. Oh my god. See. This is very stunning. I love it. And ये बहुत जल्दी मैट हो जाता है. Like even in seconds ये मैट हो जाती है. ये अभी भी ड्राई नहीं हुई है. In case you are in a search of some affordable good quality lipsticks, so this is actually a good one. These are from Blue Heaven, so do give this a try. Okay, I think the last product. Okay, so the last thing I got from Nykaa is this. So this is Venus Gillette Women Razor. Razors are lifesavers, okay? Yeah. कोई बहस ही नहीं है इस बात पे. It's true. This is how it looks like. This is the razor and there is the blade. I really like कि उन्होंने blade ऐसे पैक करके दिया है. ऐसे ही मिलता होगा शायद, मुझे नहीं आइडिया बिल्कुल भी. Okay, so this was everything I got from Nykaa. Now let's move on to what I got from Myntra. So the very first thing I got from Myntra is this pack of intimate wipes from PSafe, and these are called natural intimate wipes, and these come in a pack of 10 for 30 or 30ish rupees, which is a great deal for intimate wipes, honestly. And I recommend this to everybody out there. Like these are women wipes, but men wipes bhi aate hain, and I do recommend this to everyone because it is as important as you do your facial care, like skin care or body care. It is very important, and I think everyone should have these. Yeah, it's just my suggestion, but it is actually a very good suggestion and you should implement ASAP, like ASAP. Next thing I got is again from PSafe Natural Intimate Wash. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and this says that it is daily hygiene wash with lemongrass fragrance for women. Again, ये भी men wash भी आता है, so it is recommended to everyone. And this one is also dermatologically tested, which is great. I used to use the clean and dry one, yeah, but I felt like giving this a shot. So let's see if this works for me. If not, I'm gonna switch back to my clean and dry one. So this is how it looks on the inside. Lemongrass का नहीं पता, but green tea जैसी है इसकी fragrance, honestly. लेमन ग्रास का तो मुझे पता नहीं ना, ग्रीन टी जैसे तो है ये. पता नहीं कैसे मुझे ग्रीन टी लग रही है, होगी ना तभी मुझे लग रही है. Alright, so next I got this combo from Myntra. So basically this came in a combo. I wanted a mascara because मेरा mascara खत्म हो गया बिल्कुल. अब उसमें कोई गुंजाइश नहीं बचे, इवन एसीटोन भी उसका कोई भला नहीं कर सकता है. पहले यही था, but I have no clue why I felt like switching. This one was very inexpensive and I really like the quality of the mascara as well, and I think I would recommend you guys as well. And मैंने ये लिया है washable variant में, so ये मैंने waterproof नहीं लिया है because मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ, so घर पे looks करने होते हैं and then wash करना होता है. अगर हम waterproof वाला लेते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है उसको remove करना, and then lashes ही टूट जाती हैं, और मेरी lashes इतनी पिद्दू पिद्दू सी है, वो भी टूट जाएंगे तो कुछ बचेगा नहीं. So I went for like washable variant. तो इसके साथ combo में था ये, which is the Garnier's Micellar Water. I really wanted to try it. and so we can finally try it. काफी अच्छी पैकेजिंग लग रही है मुझे वैसे, pink and white. Love it. So yeah guys, this was it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will really mean a lot to me. Please comment down below if you like hauls, and I can do more in future for sure. So I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourselves and subscribe kiye bina mat jana. Love you. Bye.